Must watch till end.
Who this?
I'm a Rochelle this. A Jason this.
Who?
A Jason this.
Yeah, but who this?
This is Rochelle. A Rochelle this. Shawn. Shawn, are your boyfriend, right? May I get to understand?
What about him?
Are your boyfriend? Me have to find out, you know, because you see them as something serious something. Are your boyfriend or what?
Yeah, what about him? What about him?
Shawn, me catch Shawn with my boyfriend, you know.
What?
Me catch Shawn with my boyfriend, you know.
You what?
Me catch Shawn with my boyfriend in a filmy bed. I tell you.
Listen, you don't know what you're trying to do now. Listen.
Jason, me just as confused as you.
Listen, let me talk to you. For the time they catch him and the pastor man, he say him done there something there.
What you say?
For the time they catch him and the pastor man, he say him done there something there.
And that him tell you?
Me don't know what you're trying to do right now, you know.
And that him tell you?
So in a long time he stop.
Girl, what day you me catch him? Me amount of something me go through forget your number. What day you me catch him in a filmy bed with filmy boyfriend?
Listen, let me talk to your friend. Now, you listen to me?
Yeah.
For the time him and the pastor man.
Take me up a speaker, take me
I don't know
down.
what you're trying to come to me with.
Jason, the truth me I tell you. Right now me cut up, me I tell you. Me out to lick down Shawn and Jeffrey. Jeffrey for my boyfriend name, you know.
Wait, Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Team boy Jeffrey?
Eh?
Your friend Jeffrey?
Team friend, you have one friend named Jeffrey?
Your friend Jeffrey? Wait, where you come from?
Top Trelawney.
Top Trelawney. Jesus. Lord God.
Awa.
Jeffrey fan. I know you live in a blue house down the road from Miss Farm Shop.
Yeah, me.
Jeffrey? You catch him and Tina, uncle?
Lord Jesus. So you know Jeffrey?
You catch him and Tina? No, hey, listen. I don't know where you're funny now. But Jeffrey I think 50 something. Jeffrey not go off and no 20 years old. And Jeffrey about 5 years mother. Jeffrey now go for no little boy. Listen.
So where Shawn?
I'm gonna come ask me about no where Shawn there. Cause me tell her say, for the time they catch him and the pastor man, we don't have for this sitting there. And we go to Jeffrey about 5 years mother and 2 occupied right now.
Alright, so you and Jeffrey and Shawn, you can do a threesome.
Hey, listen to me.
Yeah man, you Jeffrey and Shawn.
Hey,
your blood clot and good.
You listen to me? The only man Shawn ever dealt with are his father and the pastor man. So you can't come tell me say you catch Jeffrey.
Girl, go on for your business. Go on, man.
You know, say, boy, iPhone, boy, mate, call me uncle name Khan, but